Prudential lighting. WetBionicPro lens installation video. Prior to installing lens, energize LEDs and confirm all are properly lit before installing lens. Step 1. Insert the clamp bracket at the start and end of the fixture row. Tap into place with the handle of the lens tool. Step 2. Insert the lens into the start of the fixture by hand, with an extra few inches of overhang. The lens bump faces down. Squeeze one side of the lens into the fixture lens channel, then the other. Step 3. Apply lens lube liberally to both grooves in the sponge of the lens tool. With the lens partially inserted into the fixture, snap the lens tool onto the lens with the sponge side facing the opposite end of the row. Step 4. Insert the lens tool into the fixture channels until it snaps into place. Make sure the lens is installed from the end cap up to the lens tool. Apply pressure to the middle of the lens where it's bowed out to push the gasket into the lens slot. Step 5. Slide the lens tool forward to install the lens. Note: keep the lens tool square to the fixture. Don't twist. Slow down at the fixture joints. Stop if the lens pops out of the channel, and press the gasket back into the channel. Step 6. Cut the lens an inch or two longer than the end of the fixture row. Step 7. Note the max and min cut lines on the clamp brackets installed in Step 1. Using the square, mark on the side of the fixture where to cut the lens, making sure it's very close to the max line, the maximum length the lens can be to fit properly. If it's cut a bit too long, you can trim it down. Do not cut the lens too short. Cutting the lens below the minimum line would require a new lens to be installed. Step 8. Cut the lens with scissors. Again, if the lens is a bit too long, it's easy to trim. Please do not cut past the minimum line. Step 9. Insert the remainder of the lens by hand, tucking the lens in over the clamp bracket. Step 10. Install the clamp cap with the hardware provided using a 7/64" hex bit. We recommend using a drill or socket wrench. Repeat steps 7 through 10 at the start side of the fixture row. That's it. Thank you for your patience and attention to detail.